Construction progress, Barcelona new stadium, Spotify Camp Nou. Starting off, let's talk about the parking area, which has made some significant strides since our last update. Crews have been working hard on the first level of the parking deck, and they're now close to completing the reinforcement pillars on the right side. It's a pivotal phase that shows just how quickly the structure is advancing. In the distance, you can spot the cranes still hard at work, moving materials into place for the upcoming sections. There's a lot more to come here, but it's exciting to see this part nearing completion. As we move to the south end, where the iconic grandstands will be, the steel beams and framework have made impressive headway. The construction teams have been installing large metal braces, giving the stadium its distinctive shape. Some areas still need more groundwork, but it's fascinating to watch as the pieces come together step by step. The crew has also begun pouring fresh concrete, reinforcing parts of the structure that will soon become key sections of the stands. There's still a lot to be done, but the energy on site is undeniable. One of the most talked about areas is the Norte section. You can already feel the excitement. As crews are busy installing more concrete slabs and metal reinforcements here, it's still behind the south side, but the scaffolding has gone up, and progress is speeding along. In this area, we're expecting to see the prefabricated seating blocks arrive soon, adding another visible layer to the stadium's transformation. The vision for this stadium is truly beginning to take shape, and it's thrilling to imagine how it'll look when completed. That's it for today's update. As you can see, the new Camp Nou is coming together faster than ever. The stadium is transforming with each passing day, and we can't wait to see it fully realized. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time with even more exciting news from Camp Nou. Until then, take care.